Hello everybody, I would like to share a project with you. This is a device that is able to identify various room conditions using a Raspberry Pi, a couple of sensors, and some machine learning. Here you can see my setup. There is a Raspberry Pi 3. It is attached to a power source as well as an Ethernet cable to connect it to the network. The Raspberry Pi is connected to two sensors. There is BME280, which is used for humidity detection. The other one is Wind Sensor Rev C, which I'm using to measure wind speed and temperature. It is an analog sensor, so I also have an analog to digital converter to convert its signals into a digital input to the Raspberry Pi. And as you can see, I'm using a breadboard to wire everything together. Since my Raspberry Pi is connected to the network, I can access it from my computer. Here I have some code which makes a connection to the sensors and sends their data to my computer at a 1-second time interval over the network using socket programming in Python. Here you can see me receiving that data on my computer or from the client side. The sensor measurements are being output in the terminal. Additionally, I am putting the data I receive into a machine learning model that makes a prediction about the current state of the system at every time interval. To visualize the data, I'm outputting it onto a simple Plotly Dash application live. We have humidity at the top, wind speed in the middle, and temperature at the bottom. Time is on the x-axis. At the very bottom of the screen is the model classification. It is updated every second. There are 5 conditions that can be identified, and I will demonstrate all of these in this video. There is the normal state, that is when nothing is happening. Then there is a humidifier condition, in which I will turn on the humidifier. Then there is the cold object condition, in which I put some ice next to the sensors. Next is a cold blow condition, where I blow cold air on the sensors. And finally, a hot blow condition, in which I blow hot air on the sensors. Right after the humidifier is turned on, the correct conditioned humidifier is indicated at the bottom of the screen. Looking at the plots, we could see that the temperature is beginning to drop, humidity is rapidly increasing, and the wind speed is rising. After the humidifier is turned off and the output is returned to normal, we see the normal condition label at the bottom of the screen. For the remaining conditions, you can observe the measurements shown on the plots as well as their classification.